These are young people in Delta State brought together by the National Agency for Science and Engineering Infrastructure and efforts to support local content and indigenous industrialization, boosting innovation, employment, and the economy. The theme for the event, Made in Nigeria for Everyone, begins with the presentation of Nassini's mandate and objectives.
We're here to enhance local production. We're here to brainstorm on how to develop ourselves. From the theme, you see, we said, made in Nigeria for everyone. This is our country. We can't take it out from us.
There's so much jobs for us, and that jobs has helped us to bridge so much in the growth and economy of our lives. Secondly, we have noticed that there is this reduction in the dependencies for imported goods.
In their separate goodwill messages, the representatives of the Commissioners for Environment and Science and Technology reveal what Delta State is doing to encourage young people in technology and innovations.
Let me assure you all that valuable decisions that will be reached at this meeting will be supported by the Ministry of Environment in achieving the vision of this meeting.
The Ministry of Science and Technology recognizes that science, technology, and innovation are critical enablers of industrialization. That is why we remain committed to policies and initiatives that encourages research, development, and commercialization of homemade.
In an interactive focus group section, the youth brainstorm on the challenges and opportunities in local manufacturing and innovation, policy regulatory support for local producers, financing and investment for local growth, market access and industry leakages.
Yeah, one of the major problems facing young people in Nigeria is lack of power in terms of manufacturing. A lot of young Nigerians are faced with the challenge of power. And without power, you cannot actually produce goods and services. So it's a major problem.
Most of the issues we're having is majorly security, because people don't believe they can do something or produce something in a state that is not secured. But aside that, we do have other challenges that affect our creatives, which has to do with maybe, let's say, poor infrastructure, policy frameworks, and a few other things.
So one of the areas that Nazani could look is at developing capacity of creatives across Nigeria to be able to produce more and also to be able to compete in the international market.
Nassini, the Nigeria Export Promotion Council, and other stakeholders have been at the vanguard of promoting locally made products and reduce dependency on imports. In Asaba, for News Central, Austin Azu.